Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today, I will make a beautiful turquoise blue colored refreshing cocktail for you. Please don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like this recipe. Let's start. I will take a Collin glass and fill it with fresh ice. Always use fresh ice, as fresh ice melts slowly and keeps the drink fresh for a longer time. Now I will pour all the ingredients in the mixing glass and shake without ice. Let's start with pouring 1½ ounces of white rum. For better results, use light-bodied white rum like Bacardi or Havana Club. 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting recipes like this. ½ ounce of blue curacao. Blue curacao is the most popular orange-flavored liqueur, and used almost every bar in the world. Now I will shake all the ingredients, and pour over the ice. This method is known as mix method in mixology terminology, and if you want to know more about the mixology technique, then definitely I will make a detailed video on this topic. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home and share your experience with me. Now I will garnish the cocktail with pineapple slice and cherry. Turquoise Blue Cocktail is ready for you. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.